This is my Sunday. Yesterday when I was coming home, I met up with Dan Arikellian by coincidence. And while I was talking to him, my seat just fell off the post. The bolt broke. So I stopped at a couple of bike shops on the way home and they wouldn't sell me just that bolt. They would only sell me, not even this assembly, they would only sell me a whole seat post. And I didn't want a whole seat post, I just wanted that one bolt. So today I went to a couple more bike shops. No. And so I ended up going to the hardware store and found something pretty equivalent. So I think this will work just fine. But then the little part that goes here, the end bolt that clamps it all down, it fell off while I was putting it on and disappeared. Can't find it anywhere. I can't find it anywhere. And I'm looking, and I'm looking, and I'm looking. And finally, I found a hole under the concrete, and trust me, it's down there. Oh, you can just see a faint glimmer of it, maybe, down there. The future was supposed to be better than this. I got it with a magnet glued on the end of a coat hanger. Hooray!